Scene script. Picture this: a woman, radiant in her age, stands tall, embodying wisdom and confidence. That's what embracing aging looks like. Welcome to the journey of aging, a voyage that unravels the beauty of wisdom, the allure of confidence, and the charm of maturity. As time etches its tales on our faces and bodies, we become living testaments of a life well lived, each wrinkle a badge of honor, each silver strand a testament to our resilience. Society often nudges us towards a relentless pursuit of youth, pushing us to erase every line and hide every gray hair. But let's challenge this notion. What if we told you that aging isn't something to be feared or fought against, but rather, it's a process to be embraced and celebrated? This is where pro-aging comes into the picture. It's not about denying the reality of aging, but about changing our perspective. It's about seeing age not as a threat, but as an ally. It's about understanding that with age comes wisdom, a wisdom that is earned, not given. A wisdom that gives us the courage to face life's challenges head-on and to embrace its joys with open arms. Moreover, confidence is another gift of age. It's the confidence that comes with knowing oneself, with being comfortable in one's skin. It's the confidence that allows us to stand tall, to speak our minds, and to live our truth. Maturity, too, is a boon of aging. It's the maturity that enables us to make better decisions, to understand the nuances of life, and to navigate the complexities of human relationships. So, let's shatter the mirror that reflects only the superficial signs of aging. Instead, let's hold up a lens that magnifies the profound transformation that occurs within us as we age. Let's celebrate the wisdom, the confidence, and the maturity that come with age. Remember, every wrinkle tells a story of a laugh shared, a tear shed, and a lesson learned. Embrace the wisdom of age and let your journey of pro-aging begin. Aging gracefully isn't about avoiding age, it's about protecting yourself. And the first line of defense? Sun protection. Picture this: you're a fortress, and the sun, while a necessary part of life, is an invading army. Your task? Fortify those walls. The best way to do that is with sunscreen of SPF 50 or above. It's like a suit of armor for your skin, deflecting the harmful rays of the sun. And remember, even on cloudy days, the sun's rays can be just as potent. So make it a habit to apply sunscreen daily, even when the sun isn't in sight. Also, consider the times of the day when the sun is at its peak. Try to avoid excessive exposure during these hours. Because if you want to wear your age like a badge of honor, you need to protect your skin. Think of sunscreen as your daily armor against premature aging. Water, the elixir of life and the secret to radiant skin. Let's dive deep into the wellspring of youth, hydration. Picture this: our bodies are made up of approximately 60% water. This life-giving substance is a vital component of every cell, tissue, and organ, including our skin. When we drink enough water, our cells become plump and firm, reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. But that's not all. Hydration also boosts blood flow, lending your skin a healthy, vibrant glow. And if that wasn't enough, drinking water flushes toxins out of your body, helping to keep breakouts at bay. So how much water should you be drinking? Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. That's 2 liters or half a gallon for our friends across the pond. It's a small change, but the effects are astonishing. Remember, when you hydrate, you radiate. Sleep, it's not just for beauty, it's for longevity. Imagine this: each night when you close your eyes and drift off to dreamland, your body gets to work. It's like a dedicated night shift crew, diligently repairing and rejuvenating your skin. Quality sleep is like a secret fountain of youth, promoting healthy collagen production and giving your skin that youthful, radiant glow. But it's not all about appearances. Good sleep is like giving your body a mini vacation, allowing it to rest, restore, and recharge. It supports a robust immune system, sharpens your cognitive function, and even fuels creativity. So, how can you maximize these benefits? It's all about consistency. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and prioritize a restful environment. That means a cool, dark room and a comfortable mattress. Remember, sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Good sleep is a non-negotiable appointment with youth. You are what you eat, and your skin is the first to show it. As we journey through life, our choices at the dinner table leave their mark not only on our waistlines, but also on our skin. A diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can accelerate the aging process, leaving our skin dull and prone to wrinkles. Yet, there's a silver lining. By making conscious dietary choices, we can nourish our skin from within. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as blueberries, spinach, and nuts, ward off harmful free radicals that contribute to aging. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds promote skin elasticity. And let's not forget the power of hydration. Drinking plenty of water keeps the skin plump and radiant. So the next time you're about to indulge in that sugary treat, ask yourself, is it worth the wrinkle? Let's fill our plates with vibrant, nutrient-rich foods that make our skin glow. Remember to nourish to flourish. Exercise, it's not just about the body, it's about the skin. Think of it as your very own fountain of youth. Regular physical activity is key to maintaining a youthful appearance. And it's not just about cardio. Lifting weights, yoga, Pilates, activities that build muscle and improve overall fitness are your allies in the fight against time. Muscle tone provides a natural lift to our skin, combating the natural sag we all experience as the years roll on. But it's not just about aesthetics. Regular exercise increases blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your skin, giving it that youthful, vibrant glow. Not a gym rat? No worries. Simply incorporate more movement into your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park farther away from the store entrance, or take a brisk walk during your lunch break. Remember, every bit counts. So lace up those sneakers and get moving. When you move, you improve. Stress, it's not just a feeling, it's an age accelerator. It's like a sneaky thief, silently stealing away your youthful glow. But here's the good news. You have the power to control it, to lock away this thief. How, you ask? Let's dive into it. Firstly, understand that stress is a response, not a sentence. Your body is simply responding to what it perceives as threats, and you can teach it to respond differently. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help you find your calm amidst the chaos. Therapy is another powerful tool. A skilled therapist can help you navigate life's challenges, equipping you with the skills to handle stress more effectively. And lastly, don't underestimate the power of a good laugh. Humor is a proven stress buster, so watch a comedy, share a joke, and let laughter light up your life. Remember, to age less, stress less. Aging gracefully, it's not just about the years in your life, but the life in your years. In our journey today, we've traversed the landscape of wisdom and confidence that comes with age. We've seen how the sun, while a beacon of life, can be a double-edged sword if we don't protect ourselves from its powerful rays. The simple act of hydration, often overlooked, plays a vital role in maintaining our youthful glow. And let's not forget the transformative power of sleep, the unsung hero of radiant skin and a vibrant appearance. Our dietary choices, too, have profound effects on our skin and overall health. A diet low in processed inflammatory foods and high in antioxidants is our secret weapon in the battle against aging. And while we're talking about battles, let's salute the age-defying power of regular exercise, a proven ally in maintaining our youthful vigor. We've also explored the importance of managing oxidative stress, balancing our physical exertions with necessary recovery. And who could forget the crucial role of stress management in our overall well-being? Techniques like meditation and therapy are not just about mental health. They're instrumental in maintaining a youthful appearance, too. The pitfalls of harmful habits, like smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, have been illuminated. Moderation is key, and careful selection of alcohol products can make a world of difference. We've also delved into the world of intermittent fasting and autophagy, powerful tools in our quest for a youthful visage. And finally, the icing on the cake, our facial and hair care routines. From jawline exercises to proper tongue placement and treatments for hair regrowth, every little detail counts. To age gracefully is an art, one that requires attention, dedication, and most importantly, a positive perspective. It's about embracing the journey, appreciating the wisdom, confidence, and maturity we gain over time. It's about cherishing the life in our years, not just the years in our life. Remember, aging is a fact of life, but looking your age is not. Embrace the journey and age gracefully.